Once your resume is shortlisted, the most important thing is your programming performance, your coding skills, how you are able to solve different problems, how you approach a problem, and how you query and you answer the questions of your interviewer. Now, to develop your problem solving ability and logical thinking skills, you definitely can do one thing, and that is the best option that you can do is to read a book. But reading a book is not always easy. What if you are stuck somewhere, you are not able to understand the meaning of some symbols? So will you waste your time? No, you will move to the second option, that is you will search in YouTube or some other online platforms where you will be getting some recorded sessions. Now the problem with the recorded sessions is you will watch the same video, the same part again and again, when the same explanation will be there. So no change in the explanation. If you are not able to understand a particular part, you will not able to re-understand that portion. So there is a problem. Now I am Pradipta Chatterjee, the Senior Technical Trainer and Data Scientist in Limat Soft Solutions. I request you all to join in this session, the live data structures and algorithm sessions, where I will be covering from basic to intermediate and advanced level data structures and algorithm concept along with competitive programming skills. So definitely I will walk you through different SDE sets that are like important questions, just like previous year questions that we used to solve in our college or university exams or in our secondary exams, higher secondary exams. So it is just like that, the SDE sets. We have prepared our own SDE set. We have thousands of solved examples. I will be delivering the lecture. There will be live doubt clearing sessions and many more. So what are you waiting for? You wanna be in your dream product based company? So enroll today. Hope to meet you soon. Thank you so much.